So hello students, so welcome to the third session of differential equations. So in last two sessions we discussed the introduction of differential equations and some problems on linear differential equations. Today I am going to continue the problems of linear differential equations. Yes, I already given this problem as an homework. Sin x cos x into dy by dx is equal to y plus sin x. I don't know how many of you solved this problem. Yeah, this is very interesting one. So here we are using some different integration skills. Yes. So okay, we start this. So first you write the given differential equation in standard form. Okay, that is sin x cos x into dy by dx. You write this sin x cos x into dy by dx. Take this y to left hand side. Minus y is equal to sin x. Okay. So now this is, so we have to remove this sin x cos x because the first term should be dy by dx only. So for that you write divide throughout by sin x cos x here. Divide this throughout by sin x cos x. So then it is dy by dx minus 1 divided by sin x cos x into y is equal to, right hand side it is sin x by sin x cos x. As here in right hand side the sin x cancel with sin x. So now this is the linear differential equation in the form. This is a linear differential equation in the form dy by dx plus py is equal to q. What is in place of p and q here? Where p is, here in place of p we have minus 1 divided by sin x cos x, and in place of q it is 1 by cos x. In right hand side we have 1 by cos x. Load the right hand side 1 by cos x. You write it is q is equal to 1 by cos x. So next step we find the integrating factor. As all of you know, the integrating factor formula is IF is equal to e to the power of integration of p dx, which is equal to e to the power of integration of, what is p here? P is minus 1 by sin x cos x. So write minus outside. You write it is 1 by sin x cos x into dx, which is equal to e to the power of minus integration of, you can write this 1 is sin square x plus cos square x, this divided by sin x cos x into dx. Now simplifying this, and after that you integrating this, which is equal to e to the power of minus integration of sin square x divided by sin x cos x plus cos square x divided by sin x cos x, this into dx. Okay, which is equal to e to the power minus integration of, here one of the sin x cancels. So if sin x cancels, what is remaining? Sin x by cos x. Sin x by cos x can be written as tan x, plus here one of the cos x cancels. Cos x by sin x can be written as cot x into dx. which is equal to e to the power minus, what is the integration of tan x? Integration of tan x is log secant x. So it is log secant x plus integration of cot x. Integration of cot x is log sin x. Okay, so integration is finished. It is e to the power minus log of secant x into sin x. This is because log a plus log b can be written as log ab. So log secant x plus log sin x can be written as log of secant x sin x. Now you write this is, which is equal to e to the power log of, you see, this is sin x divided by secant x can be written as 1 by cos x. Secant x can be written as 1 by cos x. This to the power minus 1. I am bringing this minus 1 to here. Okay, ಇಲ್ಲಿರೋ minus 1 ಅನ್ನ ಹೀಗೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. So because m log a is equal to log a to the power of m, which is equal to e log cancels. Sin x by cos x can be written as tan x. Tan x inverse. So this is because e to the power of log a is equal to a. E ಮತ್ತೆ log cancel ಅಂದ್ರೆ e to the power of log a ನ a ಅಂತ ಬರೀಬಹುದು. So like that you can write it is sin x by cos x to the power minus 1 or tan x to the power minus 1. So tan x to the power minus 1 can be written as 1 by tan x. So that is not equal to tan inverse of x. Don't be confused with that. So it is not tan inverse of x. Tan x to the power minus 1 can be written as 1 by tan x. 1 by tan x is equal to cot x. So the integrating factor is cot x. So now you write the solution. Solution is y into integrating factor, that is cot x. Integrating factor is cot x. Cot x is equal to integration of q. What is q here? You see, this is q. Q is 1 by cos x. So you write it is 1 by cos x into cot x into cot x. Is this correct? Sin x, yes, it is 1 by cos 1 by cos x. So it is cot x in 1 by cos x into cot x into dx into dx plus c. Okay, so then it is y cot x is equal to integration of 1 by cos x into, this cot x can be written as cos x by sin x into dx plus c. So it is y into cot x is equal to, here cos x cancel with cos x, remaining is 1 by sin x. 1 by sin x can be written as cosecant x. Yes, it is integration of cosecant x dx plus c. So that is y cot x is equal to log of cosecant x minus cot x plus c, because integration of cosecant x is log of cosecant x minus cot x. Log of cosecant x minus cot x plus c. See, one more problem of the same type. dy by dx plus y cot x is equal to 4x cosecant x. So I write this problem again. dy by dx plus cot x into y is equal to 4x into cosecant x. Yes, it is a linear differential equation. It is a linear differential equation with the P in this case is cot x. Q in this case it is 4x cosecant x. Right? So now find the integrating factor first. Integrating factor is equal to e to the power integration of p dx. What is p here? It is cot x dx, which is equal to e to the power of, what is the integration of cot x? Integration of cot x is log sin x. Okay, which is equal to sin x. So this is because e to the power of log a can be written as a. Okay, I think you know this many times I am using while I am solving differential equation problems. Okay, after getting integrating factor, write the solution. Solution is solution y into integrating factor. What is integrating factor here? Sin x is equal to integration of q. Q here is 4x cosecant x into integrating factor. Integrating factor is sin x into dx plus a constant of integration c. So y sin x is equal to integration of 4x. This cosecant x can be written as 1 by sin x into sin x dx plus c. Otherwise, you can use the formula sin x into cosecant x is equal to 1. You can use that. So y sin x is equal to 4 into integration of x dx plus c. So that is y sin x is equal to 4 into integration of x is x square by 2 plus c. 2 ones are 2 twos are. So that is y sin x is equal to 2x square plus c. Okay, fine. There is very simple problem. So I just extend this problem as given that suppose okay, I just extend this problem as given that ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡು c ನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಅಂತ. So given that y is equal to 0 when x is equal to pi by 2. Okay, use this condition. So when x is pi by 2, y is 0, you apply this condition. Put x is equal to, you take this solution as 1. Put x is equal to pi by 2 and y is equal to 0 in 1. So then what it gives? So when y is 0, it is 0 only, which is equal to 2 into x is pi by 2 whole square plus c. Simplifying this, which is equal to 2 into pi square by 2 square plus c. 2 to cancels. C is equal to minus pi square by 2. Using this or substituting this in 1, substituting in 1, we get y sin x is equal to 2x square minus pi square by 2. This is the solution. So when suppose sometimes they are given the initial conditions. So if the initial condition is given in the time, so you apply the conditions and after that, so replace the value of c. After finding c ನ find out ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ substitute ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay. See one more example, dy by dx plus y cot x is equal to 4x into cosecant x. I think we saw the same. Okay, take this one. Sometimes what happened is, so if the given differential equation is in the form dy by dx plus, so dy by dx plus p into y is equal to q. So dy by dx plus py is equal to q. So where p and q are functions of x, in that time you know how to solve the differential equation. Sometimes what happened is, if the differential equation is like this, dx by dy, sorry, I rewrite here, dx by dy plus p of y, this is a function of y, p of y into x is equal to q or q of y. So in this case, p and q are functions of y. So if the p and q are functions of y, in that time, so integrating factor, what is integrating factor? In that time, integrating factor is equal to e to the power of integration of not p dx p dy. And what is the solution? So solution is, solution ಹೇಗೆ ಬರೀಬೇಕು, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, y into i f ತಗೊಳ್ತಿದ್ರಿ, ಇಂಟಗ್ರೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ ತಗೊಳ್ತಿದ್ರಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, x into integrating factor is equal to integration of q into integrating factor dx ಅಲ್ಲ dy plus not dx, it is dy plus c, ಹೀಗೆ ತಗೋಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. So see one, that type of problem. So here the question is, how can you identify the given differential equation is linear in x, linear in y? If they are given directly dx by dy, dy by dx, then it is not a problem. ಅವಾಗ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ಏನು ತೊಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ, ನಾವು ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀವಿ, ಇದು ಲೀನಿಯರ್ ಇನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆಯೋ ಲೀನಿಯರ್ ಇನ್ ವೈ ಆಗಿದೆಯೋ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ಈ ತರ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ, ಆ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಹೇಗೆ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ಮಾಡೋದು? ಸೊ ಏನ್ ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ, ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ಕಡೆ y ಇರಬೇಕು. ಇಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಒನ್ y. So then definitely it is linear in y. So you see this is the differential equation, dx plus 2xy into dy is equal to y into e to the power of minus y square into dy. ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು y ಇಲ್ಲ, e to the power of minus y square ಇದೆ, ಸೊ ಹೀಗೆ ಇದೆ. ಬಟ್ ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು x ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. So it consists of only one x. That means this may be linear in x ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು. Just try to write that equation in linear in x form. If not, it is not belongs to linear category. ಸೊ ಬರದ ಮೇಲೂ ಅದು ನಮಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಗೆ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಲೀನಿಯರ್ ಇನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರಲ್ಲ, ಲೀನಿಯರ್ ಇನ್ ವೈ ಆಗಿರಲ್ಲ, ಅಥವಾ ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸಬಲ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಅಥವಾ ಬೇರೆ ಫಾರ್ಮೆಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ ಬೇರೆ ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಒಂದು ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು. ಬಟ್ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ, ಲೀನಿಯರ್ ಇನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ನ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ಮಾಡೋದು ಈಸಿ. ಸೊ ಲೀನಿಯರ್, ಈಗ ಈ ತರ ಈಕ್ವೇಶನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದ್ ಕಡೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಬೇರೆ ಎಲ್ಲೂ ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಎಕ್ಸ್, ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಗೆ ಪವರ್ 2 ಅಂತನೋ 3 ಅಂತನೋ ಇರಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಒನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್. ಸೊ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಈಸಿಲಿ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ದಿಸ್ ಮೇ ಬಿ ಲೀನಿಯರ್ ಇನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್, ಲೀನಿಯರ್ ಇನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬಹುದು. ಬಟ್ ಬರ್ದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅದು ಲೀನಿಯರ್ ಇನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆಯೋ ಲೀನಿಯರ್ ಇನ್ ವೈ ಆಗಿದೆಯೋ ಅಂತ. ಓಕೆ, let's take this and try to write this in standard form. Dx is equal to, take all these terms to left hand side. Okay, no problem. So y into e to the power minus y square minus 2xy into dy. So now you write this is in dx by dy form. Dx by dy is equal to y into e to the power minus y square minus 2xy. Take this x term to left hand side, dx by dy, take this term to left hand side, so it becomes plus 2y into x is equal to y into e to the power of minus y square. Definitely it is a linear differential equation and it is linear in x. Salva, standard formula the dx by dy the function of y into x is equal to function of y. So definitely it is linear in x. Okay, right, it is linear differential equation. Clearly it is linear differential equation. What is in place of p and q? So in place of p we have 2y. In place of q it is y into e to the power of minus y square. First we need to find the integrating factor. So that integrating factor is equal to e to the power of integration of not p dx, it is p dy because it is linear in x. So which is equal to e to the power of integration of 2y into dy. Integration of 2y is which is equal to e to the power of 2y square by 2. 2 cancels, which is equal to e to the power of y square. So integrating factor is e to the power of y square. Write the solution. Solution is x into e to the power of y square is equal to integration of q. What is q here? Yes, this is q, y into e to the power of minus y square. Write that here, y into e to the power of minus y square into integrating factor, it is e to the power of y square into dy plus c. Here e to the power of minus y square cancelled with e to the power of plus y square. So now x into e to the power of y square is equal to what is remaining here? Only y. What is the integration of y? Integration of y is y square by 2 plus c. So this is the solution of the given differential equation. Okay. So shall I take one more problem? Yes. Yes, very quickly. I try to solve this. Yes, definitely it is linear in x because it consists of only one x term. So write this in standard form. So take its solution as dx by dy. Dx by dy can be written as dx by dy is equal to dy ikkade baruthe. Sin y comes to this denominator. So x plus tan y divided by sin 2y. It looks like lengthy one. Okay, no problem. So dx by dy take this x by sin y term to left hand side, it is minus 1 by sin 2y into x is equal to this is tan y by sin 2y. Yes, clearly it is a linear differential equation. It is a linear differential equation. So with the clearly it is a linear differential equation. What is in place of p and q? P is minus 1 by sin 2y and q is tan y divided by sin 2y. Okay, find the integrating factor first. So integrating factor is equal to integration of minus 1 divided by sin 2y into dy, which is equal to, I just take this minus outside and I am writing this 1 as ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನ I am writing this 1 as sin square y plus cos square y divided by I am writing this sin 2y as I think you know the formula for sin 2y. Sin 2y can be written as 2 sin y cos y into dy. Okay. So now simplify this, which is equal to minus 1 by 2. You take it outside. This is e to the power of this. Sorry, e to the power of this. Okay. So this is e to the power integration of sin square y divided by sin y cos y plus this is cos square y divided by sin y cos y, this into d1, which is equal to e to the power minus 1 by 2 into integration of one of the sin y cancel, sin y by cos y can be written as tan y plus one of the cos y cancels, cos y by sin y can be written as cot y into dy, which is equal to e to the power minus 1 by 2 into integration of tan y is log of secant y plus integration of cot y is log of sin y. Again, you can write this is equal to e to the power of log of secant y into sin y to the power minus 1 by 2. ಈ 1 by 2 ಇಲ್ಲಿರೋದನ್ನ ಈ ಪವರ್ಗೆ ತರಬಹುದು. Log m log a can be written as log a to the power m. Okay. So here log a, we can write this is secant y into sin y to the power minus 1 by 2, which is equal to secant y can be written as 1 by cos y sin y by cos y to the power minus 1 by 2. Yes, sin y by cos y is tan y, which is equal to tan y to the power minus 1 by 2, which is equal to 1 by tan y to the power 1 by 2. Okay, you can write this is tan y to the power 1 by 2, which is equal to 1 by square root of tan, or you can write it is square root of cot y. So integrating factor is square root of cot y. So now simplifying, okay, write the solution. After finding integrating factor, you write the solution. This is the integrating factor. So the solution is x into square root of cot y is equal to integration of what is q here, tan y by sin 2y, tan y by sin 2y into square root of cot y into dy plus c. So next step is the simplification, which is equal to integration of tan y can be written as sin y by cos y. Sin 2y can be written as 2 sin y cos y. Cot square root of cot y can be written as square root of cos y by square root of sin y into dy plus c. Okay, so now So we have to simplifying this. This sin y cancels. This sin y cancels, which is equal to 1 by 2 into integration of, so you see, this is cos y, cos y, cos y, cos y is cos square y. Cos square y can be written as, okay, and you keep this root cot y as it is. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆಯೋದ್ರ ಬದಲು ಹಾಗೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ತೊಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ರೂಟ್ ಕಾಟ್ y, cos y into cos y becomes cos square y into dy plus c, which is equal to 1 by 2 into integration of, ಈ cos square y ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ secant square y ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಈ ರೂಟ್ ಕಾಟ್ y ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಅವಾಗ ಅದು ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ರೂಟ್ tan y ಆಗುತ್ತೆ into dy plus c. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ ಅಂದ್ರೆ put tan y is equal to t ಕೊಡಿ. So then differentiation of tan y is secant square y into dy is equal to dt. So now after this substitution, so then that it takes the form x into root cot y, x into root cot y, right? X into root cot y is equal to 1 by 2 into integration of secant square y dy. ಇದಿಷ್ಟನ್ನು dt ಅಂತ ಬರೀಬಹುದು, dt divided by square root of t plus c. ಇದನ್ನು ಇಂಟಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, 1 by 2 into integration of t to the power of minus 1 by 2 dt plus c. So next step, you have to integrate this. So integration of t to the power minus 1 by 2 is t to the power minus 1 by 2 plus 1 divided by minus 1 by 2 plus 1 plus c. So that is 1 by 2 into t to the power 1 by 2 divided by 1 by 2 plus c. This 1 by 2 cancel with 1 by 2. So this is root to t plus c. Root to t andre ಏನು? What is t? T andre ಏನು? Tan t. Tan y. T means we are taking t is tan y, so it is square root of tan y plus c. And in left hand it is x into root cot y. X into so this is the solution of the differential equation. Okay, so okay, try to find this problem, solve this problem, try to find its solution. So still I have 10 more problems, around 18 problems I'm having in differential equations. In coming days I will complete these problems. Thank you.